Is that nice, Betsy? Is that nice? Come on, Bert.
I've got a train track to fix.
Bert.
You're going to rest. Someone else will have to drive your digger. You can, Ryder. You're the one that taught me how to drive it. I'm not sure I'm the right size.
Come on, Bert, for the camera, Betsy. Where is it? Oh yeah, the bit of food. Here you go. Good girl.